Okay, so here's the Jacobsen itself, and as you can see, it's not been really well maintained. There's a number of issues with it. First of which is there's been an electrical fire, which a lot of the wires here are bare, and wherever they touch, of course, the engine will no longer start. The next thing you'll notice that a lot of these tires themselves have never been changed. They should look like this, but there's only two good ones, so all of these will have to be changed. I was fortunate enough to get a source that will supply me with metal wheels, of which you can see this tread will never wear out. So once I replace all of the wheels, rubber wheels, with these, then I won't have any problems in the future. All right. Some of these wheels don't actually spin the reel themselves. The way they're supposed to work is when the wheel turns, the blades turn, but this is set way too tight. Instead of sharpening the blades, what the person did was they decided to crank it down a little bit and hoping that they would get a better cut. What the reels should actually do is spin like this. You can hear them very lightly touching the blade, but when they're sharp, they'll provide a clean cut. Next thing is I'm going to have to go ahead and replace this electrical pump here, which was hot wired in, because they didn't know how to wire it directly to the main fuel pump. Okay, you can cut.